If you're thinking about becoming a mortgage broker, there's one big hurdle you've got to clear first, and that is the CeMAP exam. It's a question that I get asked all the time. How hard is it really? Some people pass first time, others have to resit, and a few end up questioning whether or not this career is for them at all. Now, the truth is, it is very challenging, but it's far from impossible. The CeMAP qualification is a qualification that you need to legally give mortgage advice in the UK, and it is designed to make sure brokers actually understand what they are talking about. Now, the pass rate sits at around 65 to 70% right now, which means that about a third of the people don't actually make it through their first try. But the real problem isn't the difficulty of the exam itself, it's that most people don't go into it with the right mindset or strategy. I've seen so many future brokers go in thinking it's just a multiple choice, how hard can it actually be? Only to find themselves caught out by tricky wording and real world case study questions. Now, of course, failing CeMAP isn't the end of the world, but it can slow you down significantly. It can knock your confidence and it can make you start to second guess yourself before you've even started in a career that is very rewarding but very hard. And that is where the real risk lies. The longer you delay the passing, the longer you put off launching your business, getting clients, and actually earning money. From working with mortgage brokers over the years, I've noticed a clear difference between those who pass first time and those who struggle, and here's what sets them apart. Number one is that they have a study plan, not just good intentions. Most people fail because they try to cram everything in at the last minute. The brokers who pass, they break their studying into manageable sessions over several weeks, focusing on understanding rather than just memorizing. The second thing you have is that they use mock exams to get comfortable. The CeMAP exam isn't just about knowing the answers, it's about understanding how questions are worded. Practicing with timed mock exams help you get used to how things are phrased and spot patterns in the types of questions being asked. Number three you have is that they focus on the logic, not just the facts. So you don't need to memorize everything word for word. That's a big mistake, to be honest. CeMAP is a real world application. It's if you can understand the why behind mortgage rules and regulations, you'll find the exam significantly easier. The fourth one is they stay consistent. The people who pass aren't necessarily the smartest, they're the ones who show up day in and day out and they put in the work. 30 minutes of focused studying every day for a month beats a last minute weekend cramming session every single time. And the fifth one you have is they walk in with confidence. Self-doubt can make you overthink simple questions and second guess all your answers. So if you've put in the effort, trust your preparation and go in knowing you've done everything you needed to do to prepare for the exam. My takeaway for you is passing your CeMAP exam is just like growing your mortgage business. It's all about consistency and having a plan. You don't need to be the smartest, the most experienced, or the best at exams. What you need to do is create structure and discipline and focus on long-term results. Exactly the same qualities that you need to be successful as a mortgage broker. I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge so far with CeMAP? Please drop it in the comments. Now, if you enjoyed this video, check out this one on screen right now, which is a deep dive into everything you need to know on how to become a mortgage broker. It's a career guide. Once you've passed that CeMAP exam, everything else to get you a thriving business. You're definitely not going to want to miss that one.